welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a mixing all my slimes, a slime smoothie. And sorry I haven't been doing videos lately. It is just because I have been sick, and I still am, but I am going to still do the video, so yeah. So first I'm going to start with this big slime right here. And it's not a gallon or anything, but it's just really big. And this slime is super nice, and it looks super foamy right now. I mean, look at that. Guys, do y'all hear that? Okay, I think you do, but let's just watch this. Okay, I'm so freaked out about doing this, and I'm really scared. I don't know what color it's going to turn out to be, but I just love this slime really a lot. But I'm scared that it's going to be hard or something, and I'm not going to like it, but I don't care. It's for the video. There it is. And now I'm going to take this really liquidy butter slime. Oh, it's not butter slime. I just call it butter because it looks like butter and it feels kind of like butter. So it's just really, I just love it how stretchy it is. But to buy a little slime. And now I'm going to get with this one that's pretty sticky, pretty big though. To get it out of its little container though. For it. I have this really ugly one. It looks like this, and it's just really ugly. I don't really like it, but so I'm not really sad to get rid of this one, and I was really sad to get rid of this one. But there it goes. And next, I'm just gonna do this one right here. Very pretty, but I just made it. But goodbye. I don't really care. I'm sad to get rid of that one. And I'm definitely sad to get rid of this one. But I have to, I mean. Well, I don't have to, but I want to for the video. And it goes. I can't believe this, guys. Now I'm going to do this one. It's like purplish, brownish. And it's called chocolate mocha latte. Gonna poke that in, and I forgot to show it to you. It's nice and stretchy. Next, I have this one in here in this container. It's a purple one, and it's really pretty. Just looks like this. Pop it in there. And then I have this one that I'm also really, really sad to get in this slime. But these, it's over. My slime probably is over, and it's going to have a giant slime. So I have this really nice pink slime. Super nice, but in it goes because I have things to do, I mean. No, just kidding. Then I got this really sticky slime to put in, and it's super sticky, so I'm just gonna take that and just show it to you. Oh, I have to put it in because it's so sticky, but it's my guinea pigs. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so I put that in, and this is what it looks like. Good. Now I'm just gonna check if I have any other slimes to put in, and I don't. So let's just mix it on the table. I have one more slime, and it's really watery too, so I'm just gonna dump that in. And it's hard, so yeah, but I'm just gonna poke that in. And now I'm going to just mix it. see the finished. Guys, look at that. Oh, you can see my favorite slime right there. Can't you guys? You see my favorite slime right there. Look it through. I didn't want to do this today. I wanted it to be later, but what is the finishing color going to be like? This is turning out to be really weird colors. I think it's going to be really pretty though. Well, I hope it's going to be really pretty. And it's not that soft, but oh, this is so it's really heavy. Okay, look at that, guys. Guys, look how pretty that is. Oh. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty, but I have to keep mixing it. It's so big. It looks like poo, to be honest. I don't want it to get anything in it. This is really heavy, guys. Just mix it. That is so pretty. This slime right here is taking up a lot of that color though. So I hope it doesn't end up being that color. I hope it ends up being one of these colors right there. Okay, just mix. Okay, like and subscribe to become a Gracie. Hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't as much because I'm sad that I had to lose all these slimes. And I'm really sad I did this, but it was for you guys. So, thank you. Bye.